Hi, I'm Angela from Fen End Country and I'm here today at the old barn, Fen End, Kenilworth. This Grade 2 listed barn conversion dates from 1699 and is full of character and charm with exposed beams throughout. The current owners converted the barn 30 years ago and have made it their family home ever since. Let's take a look inside. The property has a lovely welcoming kitchen which leads through to what is undoubtedly one of the best features of this home, the dining hall complete with full height vaulted ceiling and galleried landing above. A generous lounge overlooks the garden and a sunroom opens out onto the terrace, the perfect place to relax and enjoy the south-facing garden. A separate annexe leads off the hall which offers flexible living space with a separate kitchen and a bedroom with ensuite. Upstairs, the property has a further 4 bedrooms as well as a family bathroom. Outside there is plenty of parking, a garage and a separate workshop, and the property sits in just under half an acre with countryside views. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the tour. For more information, please contact me on the details that follow.